Good day and welcome to Bite Size. We started Bite Size a little bit more than a year ago. And this may sound funny to you, but I started Bite Size on a word of the Lord. Just some nuggets, just something to bite on, to nibble on for a week concerning leadership. And the one thing about leadership that I believe is very important, it's consistency. Consistency is key. Keep on keeping on. And I don't know where you are in your journey as a leader, but don't be an up and down leader. Don't be a hot and cold leader. Be a consistent leader. Keep on doing the things you need to do. Keep on growing. Keep on progressing. And may you be the best leader you can be. Remember today, consistency is key. Cheers.